A new generation of reinforcement factories is taking shape around the world, and many of them are powered by Composite-Tech technology. Across different markets, manufacturers are responding to the same challenge. Construction needs reinforcement that is lightweight, corrosion-free, and suitable for longer-lasting concrete structures. From North America and Europe to Asia, Africa, the Middle East, Latin America, and Australia, Composite-Tech equipment is already helping companies create local GFRP production. Today, our production technology has been supplied to more than 40 countries worldwide. In India, 23 companies operate Composite-Tech equipment. In the United States, 15 customer facilities use our production technology. But global presence matters only when the equipment performs in real production. Different countries have different materials, climates, labor conditions, and market requirements. The production system must work reliably in all of them. That is why Composite-Tech develops complete production systems, not isolated machines. Our equipment portfolio includes automated lines for GFRP Rebar, FRP mesh, and CNC bent elements. Each process is designed as a coordinated industrial system, from fiber preparation and resin impregnation to rib forming, curing, cooling, pulling, and cutting. Building a factory requires more than shipping equipment. Composite-Tech supports customers with production planning, equipment installation, commissioning, operator training, and technical assistance. The goal is not simply to deliver a machine. The goal is to help the customer launch stable, repeatable, and commercially viable production. Different countries, different markets, one manufacturing opportunity, local production of advanced composite reinforcement. From Europe to Asia, Africa, the Middle East, Australia, and the Americas, Composite-Tech technology is helping businesses build the next generation of GFRP factories. The next factory could be yours.